On some occasions, we may remove certain contests from the Cad Crowd platform that violate certain community guidelines. An example of a violation of community guidelines would be something that infringes on intellectual property, or also that covers services not offered in our design contests, such as patent filing and manufacturing services. So any sorts of projects like that, we ask the client to repost the design contest without those facets of the project involved. In rare cases, clients may cancel their project within the first 24-hour period of it being posted for a cancellation fee, which is usually due to an inaccurate work description, incomplete design information, and that sort of thing. In addition, a contest may have ended early, and if you have not submitted a design and the contest ends early, you may not be able to view that contest if it's switched to invite only. You'll still be able to view the contest if you submitted a design entry and participated in it. However, if you're watching it and you didn't participate, and for confidentiality and IP protection reasons it was changed to invite only after it closed, you'll no longer be able to see it. The other reason, which on occasion, very rare occasion, has occurred, is that a client is using a stolen or invalid credit card to post a contest. In other words, payment fraud. That's uncommon. However, that may be one other reason that the contest violated community guidelines. In the future, we're going to add a lock contest feature very soon, which will show any inactive contests that a client has posted and for whatever reason has been canceled. This will fully update designers on why a contest has disappeared from the platform. In addition, there's the contest area of our form, which will fill in designers. If we have to close a contest, just click that link and you could check out the CAD Design and Engineering Challenge section and see what the latest news on that is. Finally, if a client has a payment pending contest and is not logged in for several days, there's a risk that the contest may have been abandoned. If the client doesn't respond to our requests from our support team to update their contest and log in, we may remove the contest to avoid designers putting in unnecessary work. Please let us know if you have any other questions. Thanks a lot.